This is Dina, the old capital of Malta, and now we're going to go and explore it together. Hi, my name is Valentina, and at the beginning of this summer, together with my boyfriend, we explored the island of Malta during our summer vacation. We were staying at St. Paul's Bay near the best beaches of the island. While we did have our fair share of sun, sand and sea, we also made time to discover some iconic places like the capital Valletta and the old capital Mdina as well. In this video, I will show you the beautiful silent city, Mdina. Mdina is a fortified medieval town located on a large hill in the center of Malta. It was first inhabited and fortified around 700 BC by the Phoenicians and was at that time called Malet. The gate that stands at the entrance today is not the original entrance. The bridge was built later on to enable cars and people to enter. The original entrance gate stands approximately 100 meters to the left. The town of Mdina presents a mix of Norman and Baroque architecture. Built in medieval times, much of it has been preserved, and its narrow alleys tell tales of centuries of history and the various rulers that governed Malta. Today, Mdina is a major tourist attraction recognized internationally as an important UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is super pretty here, but it seems that everything is pretty much closed. I don't know why. It's a Monday. I don't know if maybe they're closed on Monday or closed in the afternoon or closed because of COVID, but it's pretty empty. So I guess pretty much everything is closed here on Monday. The museums are closed for sure. But at least we got some gelato, so that's still something. The views over large parts of the island from on top of the Bastilian walls are breathtaking and indicative of the area's strategic importance to its various occupants. Mdina is referred to as the Silent City. No cars have permission to enter, except those of limited number of residents. There's also a district feel you get when walking through these alleys. We have the greatest luck of all to have come on a Monday and for everything to be so quiet, so empty and so calm. There are barely no people in the whole town. We've seen 2 restaurants that are open and 1 gelateria, and everything else, little souvenir shops, boutiques and everything that they have open during the week is now closed. So everything is so quiet and so nice actually, and the weather today is a little bit like cloudy, so it's very nice to just walk around, listen to the birds chirping and just enjoy. And I have absolutely no words for the architecture and how beautiful this is. I can only recommend for you to come and see it for yourself. It's very, very pretty. A visit to Medina is like entering a time machine and an open-air museum all at once. Few inhabitants still live amongst its narrow streets and beautiful views over the island. We sat down for dinner at Trattoria AD 1530. Hungry, very hungry. Okay, let's give this a try. Very interesting mussels. I've never eaten before this kind of mussels. That was our day trip to Medina. It was very nice. The food at the restaurant was awesome, and now we're going home. But I definitely recommend that you come and visit. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get notified about the other upcoming vlogs of Malta. See you in the next one.